Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream of Euro USD. I hope you guys are doing great and capturing some good trades. Okay. Let's see what's happening with Euro USD. Okay. So yesterday's trade was pretty good. We captured 1:2 trade. And let's see if we can catch more good 1:2 trades. Hello, सबका favorite trader is back. And Mera favorite trader, Sanya, is back. We are back, guys. We are back. We are so consistent with our trading. We show up every day. So yesterday's 1:2 trade worked for us. I'm gonna journal this thing. It was good. But I just exited at this point and then it just went up. So let's see, daily candle is super bullish right now. I feel there could be some retracement today. On the 4 hour time frame, okay. This is the wick that is still empty, so it's possible that the price come up to fill this wick almost like half. Yesterday was good day. 4 trades was taken, one SL in gold, which was 10% of the gains I made. Wow, that's crazy. I saw the trades that you sent on the Discord. Amazing, guys, amazing. So 1 hour on the 1 hour time frame, we are just making some higher highs and higher lows. Let's see if I want this previous candle's high to be taken out and this range particularly. If it breaks through this range, maybe I'll be looking for the buys then. Hi Sanya, hi. I'm good. How are you doing? It's a lovely day today, I feel. Okay, let's see on the 15 minutes what's happening. We gotta wait to break this range above and we'll be entering on the fair value gap that will be formed after this. Let's see. Is my voice lagging? YouTube is sending me a notification that my stream is not smooth. Just let me know if it is like that. So yesterday the trade that we took was our liquidity. So we just captured the liquidity and then it straight away went up like that. Let's see. I think 1:2, if it will be good for us, then we'll be continuing taking two positions. That would be 1:1 and 1:2. So let's see. How's your account going? Have you passed its phases? Not yet. I'm the phase one, and let's see. Probably will be passing. I'll be updating you the account status on my Discord, and you can see on that. This week is all about figuring it out because because of the timings are changed and I'm a little bit not reliable on this time frame, because I used to trade on 11:30 and now it's 12:30 timings. So I need to figure it out if the Euro USD movement is working better on 11:30 or is it working better on 12:30. So let's see accordingly will refinings. And also I'm just refining my strategy a bit because 1:1 in Euro USD is good. Why? Because the stop loss that I'm placing, if you have must have observed that Euro USD just consolidates all along the London session, and because of that, I need to give a lot of space. And people think because why I'm taking 1:1, so that is the one of the reasons. And but I feel that it's giving 1:1 is a little bit more than 50% win ratio. But if we refine a little bit more, we can get it more like better win rate. Till then, we'll be taking two position, that would be 1:1 and 1:2. So let's see. The trades like this, 1:1, I feel that if you trade it in the live account, that is giving us the more returns. Because in the funded account, again, you need some consistent risk to do what I feel, or very excellent win ratio. Let's see if it breaks through this range, then we'll be planning sales. But let's see. I don't want it to be consolidating within this range. I'll be probably making a video. I was thinking about the strategy and refining the strategy. So let's see. Maybe today I'll plan it, or maybe tomorrow. But probably this week I'm gonna make that video about refining the strategy and how we are building the strategy for the Euro USD. There's equal highs that are formed right now, relative equal highs. And we have this range. Also, we have liquidity beneath these lows. Let's see if we can get this range be broken and then almost 4 pips. Almost be 20 pips from here. Let's see if we can get any entry today. If we don't get any setup, then okay. And maybe on the Fridays, probably we will not be trading Euro USD because what I have observed during these 2 months, Euro USD on Friday is giving loss. Every Friday we are getting loss, and every Monday we are getting win. So we need to focus on the winning days and losing days as well. We have some trade ideas for Euro USD. Okay. So you are already in the sell position right now. Okay. I'm just waiting for the confirmation. If I get the confirmation, then only I'm gonna enter the cells. Let's see. I'm looking for the cells EU as for now, as Asian highs has been taken out and small MS is done in 1 minute. So I might be playing that small cells in EU as it has to fill the Asian demand zone. The trade is posted in DC. Yeah, I just saw that. Yeah, sales are looking good today, but let's see. If only if it breaks through this range, then only I'm gonna plan sales. Else, no. Let's see, guys. Four hour is already looking such a weak candle. So let's see. 5 minutes fair value gap has been tapped. I'm taking risk. Yeah, it's been tapped right over here. What's your TP? Let me see. The TP is 1.1459. 1.59, 1.1459, 1.145. Nine five nine. I was like, what? 959. It's almost 15 pips. 15, 16 pips. So the win rate will be almost one ratio more than like five or six. TPs all the way to the Isha lows. I'm just doubting that if anybody wants to take sales, you can just check the trade idea in the Discord channel. Let's see, I'll be waiting for the confirmation. If we get some confirmation, then we'll be entering the cells. What's happening with GBP USD? One ratio 3.5. Okay. So the trade would be one ratio 3.5. That's good. Fair enough. It's EU and it will consolidate when I get into the trade anyhow. It will consolidate if anybody gets into the trade right now. Yeah. This indicator really helps to spot the no wick candles, specifically no wick candles. I like this thing. I can easily know where are my no wick candles. So if we would have entered in the morning in the Asian session, Blueberry account disbursed giveaway. Yeah, I was not expecting it, and when I was like, I just told you that day, huh? It will be, I think, probably today or day after tomorrow, but just keep checking your, the account. It will come directly in that. So, this if you would have traded on this candle right away, because Novik can if you observe the power of Novik candle on the GBP USD, it's so amazing. Uh, Within the trend, if you see, like for example, this is the candle right over here, and it compensated with this. Let me just close this fair gap thing. Okay, so this Novik candle tapped over here, and if we would have placed our buys here, placing 5 stop loss, yeah, 5.7 something stop loss, and maybe 1 ratio 2 if you want to go with that. We can also achieve 1:2 with that, or even 1:1. I've been refreshing the dashboard every hour, lol. I'll be letting you know whenever it's like I'm getting any notification that it's been dispersed. I'll just let you know. I'll DM you then. But did you make the account with the same email ID that you just registered with? Here also, if you would have taken the trade on this candle, placed a stop loss on this, could move this stop loss 5, TP 5 almost. Within the trend candles. Yes, I made the account with the same email ID which was shown in the giveaway result. Then it's fine, then you'll be receiving it on the same email ID. Don't worry, nobody will be taking your giveaway account. I guess there is a internet issue from your side. Stream is buffering constantly. Okay, wait. Is it good now? Just let me know if the voice is good or is it lagging. I don't know. I am getting the notification from YouTube as well that it's buffering. But my internet speed is pretty well, I feel. Okay, fine. Yeah, now it's good, right? Let's see if we get any trade in Euro USD today. But surely I'm gonna make a video about the journaling part and how our strategy is all the way going and how we can do it and make it better more. Euro USD is best to do in the live. Even in the prop firms, if you see, the Euro USD is taking so much of that charges. Swap charges are too much. EU is strong bullish in 4 hour and 1 day, and so any sales would be a scalp for me. Not looking for a big TP. 1:1 and risk free 1:2. I'll book most of the quantity. Fair enough. Yeah, the in total the Euro USD is bullish. But let's see how in what time it gives us the move, because again it will be consolidating. I mean, after 2 or 2:20 or 30, I'll not be looking for any setups in Euro USD, because then again it will not count as a kill zone then. Yeah, the daily we do have a very strong bullish candle right now, and the 4 hour as well. Do we have any news today, by the way? Um, it's all tentative. For the euro, we have yellow folder. For GBP, we have red folders. Mm-mm-mm. No, I don't think so. We do have any red folder, but we have a yellow folder where some FOMC member Bar is speaking and FOMC member Williams is speaking. So maybe we can have a little bit of something in the market, but I don't think we will out. Probably I have a lot of internet issues today. Let's see if we can get good a move in Euro USD on 1 minute time frame. It's not doing anything much. I feel most probably it will go over this and grab these lows over here, and then we can see again the movement upside. Maximum. The gold have been pumped. Did you take a took a trade in gold? It's been pumping since 12:30. There was a time in gold when 100 pips used to be a lot in gold. Gold gave 4 hour breakout. Yeah, SP 500 is breaking down. What was that? It's a wiki thing. Nah, I'm not liking the price action of today. I'll be looking for the opposite, looking for any HTF of supply or form a new supply. Time frame supplies. Gold, I don't trade. I just feel like I don't understand gold for now. I understand better Nasdaq than gold. I tried TAM model in gold. See if it's pumping, then it's probably gonna take these highs. Let's go wait for a few more minutes and then I'll be leaving you to USD. Most probably I'll be waiting for 2 or 2:30. That's it. Then I'll not be doing any setups in that. Wow. Look at this candle. I took a lesson in EU, $15. Not bad, $15, I mean. It was a risky trade against the trend. Let's see now if we can get some buys maybe. We can plan some buys now. Indeed, it was a very risky trade and was executed using 1 minute MMS. MSS. Yeah, I mean, confluence from the 1 minute time frame is always weak. No worries, we're gonna take buys now. I just pray it should not be liquidity grab and fall now. I'm also just fearing about that if it just took the liquidity from this side and just bam down. But I don't feel so. You know why? Because if you see this candle that is being opened right now, you see it's a no wick candle and it's looking very strong. See if it closes above, then might be continuing above. But if it closes down somewhere here or reversed here, then it was a liquidity grab. Then most probably we're gonna enter somewhere over here. Why it's looking like it was a liquidity grab? See it closes. It's closing down. That was bad. The candle closure was really bad. I'm not trusting it now. See, it was a liquidity grab, lol. Exactly. That was bad. Because you know what? I was worried about if I would have taken the sales, because there's two liquidity that was near about. One was this and one was this. So, anyways, we would have been tapped either here or either there. So, it was a risky trade. Wow. See the fall. Look at the fall. I entered again with a half quantity. If it goes SL, I'm done for the EU in this session. Exactly. You can't take more than two losses in EU. No, no, no. But I feel, I don't know. I don't know if this fair value gap would be valid or not, because it flipped. That's my concern. If you would have taken the trade on this for the long position, see, somewhere here, my stop loss 7 and TP all the way 20 pips, something like this. This time it will be near to 8 to 9 risk. Yeah, the risk should be small, I mean. But this is not a good condition to trade Euro USD. It's already been 144 already. You know the trade that it gives near around 12:30? That is the most good. Thank God we didn't took a buy from here. But I feel like don't trade, guys. Don't trade in this zone. I'm against it. Most probably will not be trading in this zone, because I feel like if the market is ranging like this and it already took the liquidity as well, so better. Where are you busy on the phone calls? Personal phone calls we're getting. See, it filled the fair value gap also. So on the 15-minute time frame, if we see this wick, we're gonna fill this half wick most probably. It's almost six, so you can see three, around three, almost. Where did you put your stop loss, by the way? Wait, I'm just gonna see in your screen. No, I can't see your screen. You can just tell me. SL is above the wick. Okay, this wick, fine. See, if it has to fall, it will fall from either from here or here. But if it breaks above again this wick, then I'm gonna take a small buy from this here. As there's a FVG in the premium zone on 1 hour left side. 1 hour left side. Here, this one. See, anyways, I don't know, but I'm gonna place my small buys from this area, a very small quantity. I know there's a liquidity sweep. I know that. Not this one above this one. This one. Yeah, it has to be tapped still. I'm just gambling the yesterday's profit, that's all. Something like this I'm gonna take. Hello Sanya, hi. Hi Pawan. Hmm. I won't suggest you to take a trade right now on this position. Because why? First of all, it's a ranging market and it's a lot of wiki, right? So, and it's already been around two, so I don't think so. You should be taking any trade right now. This was just for the explanatory. That's all. If you would have broken this 1230s high, then I would have planned some buys because the trend of today's is bullish. So basically, we won't be going against the trend by taking any sells. Are you planning for the buys? See, my bias is bullish for today. So most probably, if I'll be looking for the buys. I'll be taking leave for today. EU started its consolidation. EU, it's like that always. Don't expect anything out of EU. Till New York session, it will be consolidating. So we can't expect anything. Because yesterday, my stop loss was, when I was on the stream, it was like 3 pips away. And ultimately, we got like 1:2 yesterday. So that's why I don't follow like 1:2 trades in that. See, because of this kind of things, I give a lot of space to EU to move freely and consolidate, then give its move. But I'm gonna take a small buy over here, right over here on this fair value gap, and we'll see. Just I'm gambling the yesterday's profit. That's all. I'm not taking any huge trade today. I'll post it on Discord. A small position, right? I want to see the first half in the FBG on the 1 hour upside, then down to the fair value gap 4 hour, or first down to the 4 hour fair value gap, then up into that 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, that was complicated. You can check it out. I posted on my Discord, something like that. Can you check with the Blueberry when can I expect the account to be dispersed? Most probably today I'm gonna update you with that. Most probably today. I'm gonna tell you. See, within this week, I will say that don't trade, don't trade aggressively. Just look at the market. Why? Because because of the timing has been changed, and we need to look for the behavior of Euro USD, how it's performing. Because earlier, before the time has been changed, on 11:30 we used to have some good moves, but since 12:30 we need to look like when we're getting some good moves. Either it's before 12:30 we need to see, or after 12:30, or how is it performing, right? So accordingly we need to plan our trades. Okay, thank you. No problem. I think it's a two-step account you'll be getting. Hopefully, we can do the giveaway every month. Is the drawdown static or trailing? Most probably it's gonna be trailing stop loss, but I need to confirm about that. In Blueberry, it's all static, right? No, it's trailing, right? It's all equity based drawdowns on Blueberry. I divide my position. If it falls from here to the fair value gap, then get ready for the buys in the NY session. Cool, because you know what? I'm testing 1:2. My trade is usually about 1:1. So I take two trades, that is 1:2 and 1:1. So basically, it's gonna be something like this, 20 pips down, somewhere over here. So even if it falls down, I don't care, because my main position is gonna be like this, something like that. If it is a trailing, I must be careful when withdrawing, else I'll mess up like the instant 5K account couple of weeks ago. Exactly. I remember that. I feel trailing, yeah. But if you do like a lot of swing trading and in this type of account, then it's gonna be a problem for you. But we don't do that, right? But don't mess up with a daily drawdown. Just be careful about that because it's gonna be equity based drawdown then. Because till now in London session, it's mostly consolidating and generated the liquidity for the buyers. It do every day. Every day we get consolidation in the London session. We just enter and we get the entry, like the move later in the NY session. So we just gotta wait for that. By the way, do like the stream if you like, guys, and also join my Discord channel if you haven't. And it's already been 2, so I must be ending the stream. This is the position that I'm gonna take. And either it's SL or TP, we're gonna take it. And remember that I'm in the 2 position. One is this 1:2, and one is 1:1. That is something like this. Just take around 20 pips below and 20 pips above, something like this, right? So just be careful with your stop losses and check within 4 hour, 1 hour, wherever you feel comfortable with that. That's all, guys, for today, and I'm gonna update you my trade in my Discord channel, whatever it is, accordingly. Till then, trade safe, let's trade and let's grow together, guys. Thank you so much.